In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Wix Content Manager CMS 2026 guide. By the end, you'll know how to add the CMS to your site, build a collection, connect your content to your design, and keep everything up to date without touching the layout. First, open your Wix editor and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click the CMS icon. It may still appear as Content Manager in some places. Then choose Add to Site or Start Now. This adds the data layer your site will use to power repeatable content like teams, projects, or services. Next, choose how you want to structure your content. Wix provides presets such as team, projects, or services. Select one, like team, to instantly generate a ready-to-use collection along with dynamic pages. Prefer to build it yourself? Pick Create Collection and decide whether to start with AI, import a CSV, or enter everything manually. Whichever route you choose, think ahead about the fields you'll need, names, images, bios, so your content stays organized and scalable. Let's talk about what Wix creates for you behind the scenes. You get two essential dynamic pages. The All page, sometimes called the Dynamic List page, is a single layout that lists every item in a collection, like all team members. The item page is a reusable template that automatically becomes a unique page for each item, pulling in details from your collection while keeping the design consistent across the board. Open your collections from the CMS menu to manage your data. It looks and behaves like a spreadsheet. Each row is an item, one team member, and each column is a field such as name, image, or bio. Replace the placeholder text and images right in these cells. Any change here instantly updates every spot on your site that references that data, saving you from editing multiple pages. When you add new elements in your design, like text boxes or images, use the Connect to CMS icon, the small green cloud. Link each element to the correct field in your collection. For example, connect a text box to the bio field or an image element to the image field. Make sure the element type matches the field type so content displays correctly. Before going live, click Preview in the top right corner. Use the item picker at the top to switch between different items and confirm your layout works for short and long content, and that images crop and align as expected. After publishing, you can update content straight from your Wix dashboard. Open CMS from the left menu, edit your collections, and your live site updates instantly. No design changes needed. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.